Most men don't realize how much a well-groomed beard changes their presence. Today, I'm unboxing something different. This is the Beard Club Original Kit. Not hype, not trends. Just proper grooming tools for men who understand presentation. First, premium packaging. Solid. Minimal. Clean. Inside, everything your beard actually needs. Beard oil, hydration without the shine overload. Beard balm, control without stiffness. Tools, because discipline shows in the details. A good beard doesn't happen by accident. It's maintained. If you take yourself seriously, this is the standard.